Alright, so I know this is a car channel, but I just gotta say, look at this magnolia. Holy moly, this thing's gorgeous. And it smells so good from so far away. There you go, there's your daily dose of nature. Well, once doesn't make it daily, I suppose. Alright, y'all. Thought I would do a quick techie tip thing. I wanted to check to see if this level was any good before I used it, and it's not. And how do I know it's no good is like this. Right now I've got it on what's basically a flat table. I'm going to take my weight off it. So, okay, flat surface. Right now it's near the right line. I'm just going to flip it this way. And as you can see, the bubble is now centered as opposed to near the right line. That's how I know this is not a good level. This level is better, but still not perfect. So there we go. And part of the problem, now we're good now. You can see this one's basically perfectly centered. And if we flip it, it's still basically perfectly centered. But there you go. That's the easy way to know if you've got a good level or not. Just set it down, see where it is, flip it around. If it's in the same spot, you're good to go. So as you can see, she got pretty dirty on the trip. All the linseed oil got washed off. So it's back to being all dried out and gross again. And you know, dirt and mud everywhere. I gotta put that new seal in here too in the window. So I got a bunch of stuff I need to do to this thing. Alright, so the mission for today, we gotta get all the cardboard out of the back of this guy and get it washed and cleaned. We gotta get the clear coat taken care of. It's got some peeling issues with the clear coat, and once we get that all scraped down, we'll be able to put linseed oil. So I'm going to do the scrape first, then we're going to wash it, and then once it's nice and clean, we're going to start detailing this thing out and cleaning it up. Alright, so I got this truck scraped. We got basically most of the white stuff around the edges all gone. Bought a foam cannon, and I'm looking forward to trying that out and seeing how that works. Alright, so we finally did get it working. So it just had some kind of obstruction in it, I think. Alright, so apparently I forgot to hit the record button there, and I got to give credit where it's due. The formula for the linseed oil mixture is 26 ounces of boiled linseed oil to 6 ounces of odorless mineral spirits. That formula is from Broke Bastard Garage, which is a YouTube channel, and it's a really good YouTube channel. I'll put a link down to it in the description as long as I'm allowed to do that, and you should definitely check their channel out. Anyway, back to the video. And I look like a moron right now, but I don't care. Alright, we're good. Alright, let's get to her. Let's go for it. Let's just slap it on there. A little goes a long way, so let's see how this looks. I think I'm going to leave it glossy. I think I might have said that a minute ago. I usually buff this out, give it more of a satiny look, a more matte finish, because it looks a little more natural, I believe. But let's just go for straight up glossy shine on this one and see how it looks. Because you can always do it again and buff it. Alright, I'll let that dry, see how it looks. For now, I'm going to get going and knock out the rest of this thing. Alright, so she's done. Now we just got to let it all evaporate out and settle down to its semi-glossy, is what I'm expecting it to look like when it's dry. There may be some gloss spots and some semi-gloss. If it ends up looking weird like that, I'll probably have to redo it just to make it uniform. So we'll see. Anyway, onwards and upwards. Alright, well that's it for this one. And the next one we'll keep on cleaning and polishing, and maybe we'll tackle those rims. We got to do something about those rims. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.